Yeah, before going to the exercise, yeah, some rules are here. You have to follow the rules. Rules for addition of integers. First one, when two positive integers are added, we get a positive integer. Okay. Now here according to this point, here two positive integers plus 2, example plus 2 and plus 3. Here two positive integers, if you add these two positive integers, 3 plus 2 that is 5. So here both are positive, so you have to put plus. Next point, when two negative integers are added, we get a negative integer. According to this point, two negative integers are added. Here two negative integers, example, two negative integers are added, we get a negative integer. So first we should add these two numbers, 5 plus 6 that is 11. Okay, when both are negative, keep minus sign and add 5 plus 6 that is 11. So here when two negative integers are added, we get a negative integer. Next point, when one positive and one negative integers, according to this point, there is one positive and another one is negative integers are added, we take their difference. That means first we have to subtract and place the sign of the bigger. So example here one is positive, another one is negative number, plus 15 and minus 14. Okay, one is positive, another one is negative. For this time what we should do? First we should make difference of these two numbers. 15 minus 14 is 1. Biggest number sign is positive. Next point, additive inverse of any integer a is minus a. Additive inverse of any integer a is minus a. That means, for example, additive inverse of plus 2. Answer is minus 2. Additive inverse of plus 5. Minus 5. Okay. Now additive inverse of minus 4. How to write it? Plus 4. That means opposite sign we have to put here. Okay. Exercise 7.1. Exercise 1.1. First question. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. Here given number line. On this number line, temperature given at different places at a particular day. Now here given places here. First one is Lahore Spiti. Second one is Srinagar. Then Simla, Ooty, then Bengaluru. Okay, here given totally 5 places. On this number line, here given numbers. Here 0, here then 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 RHS side. Then LHS side minus 5, minus 10. You know that left side of 0 all negative numbers, right side of 0 all positive numbers. Okay. Now your first question what is given. First try to understand what is the number line here. What are the values given at different places. So 0, right side we will see first. After 0 here mark this at 0.5 Simla. That means here 5 degrees Celsius. Then here at point here in between 10 and 15. That means after 10 we have to count here 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That means 14th point is Ooty. Okay. Then 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 point, that is Bengaluru. Then this side, LHS side here 0. Then you will get -1, -2. -2, that is Srinagar. Then -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Here -8, that place is Lahaul Spiti. That means from this we can understand here Simla. Simla is, that is Simla, on that particular day temperature is 5 degrees Celsius. Then here Ooty, here 15 is there. This point means that is 14 degrees Celsius. Then here after 20, 21, 22, Bengaluru, that is temperature, that is 22 degrees Celsius. Now this side Srinagar, here -1, this point is -2 degrees Celsius. Then this side Lahaul Spiti, after -5 will take -6, -7, then -8 degree Celsius. Now in the first main question, here given there are 4 points A, B, C, D. Okay, now we will see one by one. First question, what is there? In this first main only A question, what is given here? Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Okay. Now first Lahaul Spiti, what is the temperature on that particular day, on that place? On that place, what is the temperature? Already we know that here we understood that different places, different temperature on a particular day. So here Lahaul Spiti, here -5, -6, -7, -8. So here -8 degrees Celsius. Okay. Then Srinagar here 0 left side, -1, -2. Srinagar temperature is -2 degrees Celsius. Next Simla 5 degrees Celsius. 5 degree Celsius. Then Ooty here 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 degrees Celsius. Okay. Then Bengaluru after 20, 21, then 22. So 22 degree Celsius. B question. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the below? Now in the earlier question we were studied about the different places temperature at a particular day. Now already we know that highest temperature on this number line, which place it is? Bengaluru is the hottest place. So what is the value of Bengaluru temperature? Here 22 degrees Celsius. Okay. Hottest place here on this number line, that is Bengaluru 22 degrees Celsius. Then here coldest place, here -5, -6, -7, -8. Lahaul Spiti is the coldest place, that value is -8 degrees Celsius. According to this question, what we should do here? Difference between the hottest and the coldest places. Difference between the hottest and the coldest places. What is the hottest value here? Bengaluru, that is 22 degrees Celsius. 22 degrees Celsius. Minus here minus 8. Should make difference, that means subtract. So this is equal to, first you write 22. This unit will write afterwards here. This is minus 8 degrees Celsius. So 22 minus, should write as it is, minus into minus it become plus. Okay. Now 22 plus 8. So this is equal to 30 degree Celsius. Okay. Now next question. What is the temperature difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar? On this number line, we have to check it first. What is the temperature of Lahaul Spiti? What is the temperature of Lahaul Spiti here? Yeah, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Temperature of Lahaul Spiti, that is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Okay. Then minus temperature of Srinagar. Srinagar, here is Srinagar. After 0 LHS side it become minus 1 and minus 2. So this point is minus 2. That means temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Minus 2 degrees Celsius. Okay. Then minus 8 you should take as it is. Minus into minus it become plus 2. Okay. Now here both are opposite signs. So already you have studied the rules of addition before starting this exercise. So just recall it. Then here both are opposite signs. What we should do? Subtract. Okay. 8 minus 2. 6. What is the biggest number sign? Minus. So keep minus. Then minus 6 degree Celsius. This is the answer. Now next question is, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature of Simla? That means first we should know that what is the temperature of Srinagar and what is the temperature of Simla. We should take both the temperature together. Okay. Now what is the Srinagar temperature here? 0, minus 1, minus 2. Minus 2 degrees Celsius is the temperature of Srinagar. And similar temperature, here similar temperature is 5 degrees Celsius. According to the question, both the places temperature taken together, that means we should add these two values. So this is equal to, now minus 2 here is plus 5. Both are opposite sign, that means we have to subtract. 5 minus 2 is 3. So biggest number sign is positive, so that is 3 degrees Celsius. One step over. Next, when we take these two places temperature together, we got 3 degrees Celsius. Is less than the temperature of Simla. Now what is the temperature of Simla? Temperature of Simla is 5 degrees Celsius. Okay. Temperature of Simla is 5 degrees Celsius. When we add both the places temperature, we got 3 degrees Celsius. We can say here 3 degrees Celsius is less than 5 degrees Celsius. Okay. So according to this question, yes. Here when we add both the places temperature is less than the temperature at Simla. Yes. Solution is here. Yes. This point over. Next point. It is also less than the temperature at Srinagar. It is also less than the temperature of Srinagar. What is the temperature of Srinagar? See here. Srinagar temperature is -2 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now here what we got here? 3 degrees Celsius. 3 degrees Celsius is greater than -2 degrees Celsius. That means here answer is no. Okay. It is also less than the temperature of Srinagar. No, it is not less than the temperature of Srinagar. It is not less than the temperature of Srinagar. Okay. So Srinagar temperature only let's see here. That is -2.